Hello everyone, we will prepare a party poster with you in this short video. And besides that, we will take a little walk in history. Enjoy the history of Christmas. The history of Christmas is a long one with origins in the Roman Empire and lasting through many centuries of religious struggle. Though we know that many aspects of modern Christmas celebrations have their roots in pagan rituals and Christian traditions, there are still some things we don't quite understand. What we know of Christmas began during the Roman Empire. The history of Christmas begins with the birth of Jesus Christ. The Bible tells us that Mary gave birth to Jesus in Bethlehem, and angels announced his coming as a light to all nations. That's what we know from the original texts. But there is more to this story than just the birth of a baby boy. Christmas traditions have been around for many centuries, and some actually go back to ancient Rome. For example, there are many decorations used during the holiday season that were first used by early Christians in Rome when they celebrated Saturnalia, an ancient Roman festival celebrating Saturnus, a god, on December 17th each year. In fact, you might recognize some of these decorations if you've ever seen them before. Holly leaves represent holly trees, which were sacred among pagans because they believed these trees protected them from evil spirits. Yule logs are thought to symbolize burning sacrifices offered on winter solstice, and evergreen trees represent everlasting life since they stay green year-round despite winter weather conditions outside. Snow. The first nativity scenes appeared in Naples, Italy, where they were first made as part of Christmas celebrations. The city is located in southern Italy on the coast and was founded by Greek settlers. It's a popular tourist destination known for its art and culture, and also has delicious pizza. The date of December 6th is considered to be the date of Jesus' birth, but it is also the day that St. Nicholas died. As a result, this day is celebrated in both the Eastern and Western churches. St. Nicholas was born in 280 AD to wealthy parents who were Greek Christians living in Asia Minor, today modern-day Turkey. He became a bishop and traveled throughout his country preaching about Christianity. He also used his wealth to help those who had none. He gave money to families in need and helped children who had lost their parents. St. Nicholas was canonized as a saint after his death because he was known for giving presents on his birthday, December 6th. The Christmas season ends with Epiphany on January 6th, which is also known as Three Kings Day. Epiphany marks the arrival of the three wise men who followed a star to Bethlehem. After they arrived in Bethlehem and saw Jesus Christ, they gave him gold, incense, and myrrh as gifts. Oh, you may have already finished your Christmas shopping. This is a good time to reflect on all that Christmas has brought into your life over the past few weeks. Where does the tradition of decorating trees come from? The tree was first decorated indoors by Christians from Germany and Latvia in the 16th century. They set up a Christmas tree to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ, who they believed had been born on the 24th of December. The custom spread across Europe, and so did the idea of setting up a tree inside during winter time. The Christmas tree was introduced to the royal family by Queen Victoria's husband, Albert. He brought one home in 1841 and decorated it with candles, toys, and other decorations. The first recorded use of a Christmas tree in England was at an event hosted by King George III in Windsor Castle on December 14, 1832. It wasn't until later that year, when Queen Victoria's husband, Albert, brought one into their home, that its popularity began to grow. The first Christmas tree at Buckingham Palace was put up by Queen Victoria herself on December 26, 1841 during her coronation celebrations, which had been delayed due to heavy snowfall that year. In most families today, you'll see that there are lots of different kinds of trees. Real ones like spruces or firs, fake ones made from wire frames covered with plastic needles, artificial trees made from polyvinyl chloride plastic, even cardboard ones. And as a result, we hope you enjoyed this brief history of Christmas. We know it's a busy time, so we wanted to make sure that you have all the information you need on hand before the big day. You can support us by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Happy New Year's!